Hi guys, it's V here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cornrow your hair. If your hair is out, you can practice as you watch. I start by parting a section where the cornrow is going to be plaited in using a rat tail comb. If your hair is as thick as mine, then you need to part your hair little by little until you get to the bottom of your head to avoid your hair from matting up. For each section, make sure you part a smaller amount of hair at the bottom of your head, or else some of your cornrows wouldn't get to the bottom when you plait them. I detangle the section properly using a wide tooth comb. I then cut out a front section that I'm going to use to show the basic braiding pattern. I section it further into 3 sections. I call the strand close to my ear the lower strand, the one in the middle strand, and then the one on top, the top strand. Also, I call my hand close to my ear, my lower hand, and then the hand on top, my upper hand. Now I take the upper strand, pass it under the middle strand and grab the lower strand from the lower hand, then drop that strand and that hand. Now come back with that hand, pick, pass it under the middle strand and then grab the upper strand and then drop and free that hand. You come back again, you pick, pass under the middle strand and then you grab, then you drop. You come back with that hand, you pick, you pass under the middle strand and then you grab the upper strand and then drop. So you continue that process. And then this is what the braid will look like. This is the braid pattern. Now I take my wide tooth comb and then I detangle the section properly. Next, I create a front section which I further section off into 3 smaller sections. So I'm going from one end to the other, passing under the middle strand. So from the outer strand, I pass it under the middle strand and grab, then drop. I pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. When you grab, you add a little more hair to that strand. Then you pick the upper strand and then pass it under the middle strand and grab the lower strand, picking up some more hair as you go from the side. Then you pick, you pass under the middle, grab and add some hair. Pick, pass under middle, grab and add some hair. Don't worry if you don't get the braiding pattern at once. Just continue practicing and with time, you will get to understand it. So I continue braiding till I get to the end. Cornrow is a good protective style for natural hair. You can rock them on your natural hair or make them under wigs. So I'm showing the whole process again on this section. I section off a little section in front and divide it into 3 sections to show you the braiding pattern. After that, I raise the 3 sections upwards. And then I take one section and I'm going to pass it under the middle. I take it, pass it under the middle and grab, then drop. Then I pick again, pass under the middle, drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. So now for the braiding proper, I section off a small piece in front, and then I divide that section into 3 smaller sections. I take one strand and then I pass it under the middle and grab the other strand, then drop. Then I pick, I pass under the middle, grab and drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. Pick, pass under middle, grab, drop. Then I start adding hair as I go now to form the cornrow. So you continue the same process, but now you pick up hair from the side as you go. So I pick, I pass under the middle. Now I add some hair to that strand as I grab. Pick, pass under middle, grab and add some hair with that finger. Then I pick, pass under the middle, grab and add some hair. So you're adding some hair to the outer strands. So I braid till the end and take some gel for my edges and apply it onto my edges. Then I take my toothbrush and then brush my hair in the way I would like it to be. So I take down my scarf and subscribe if you have not subscribed, share my videos and give it a big thumbs up if you like it.